Welcome to the Geeksvana 2-Minute Drone News.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Geeksvana's 2-Minute Drone News, where we bring you the latest drone news in 2 minutes or less. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. Okay, let's start the 2-minute timer. First up, and a man who has been a fugitive from authorities for 17 years has been found by a drone search. Song Yang, 63, escaped from a Chinese prison camp in the Sichuan province in 2002, where he was jailed for trafficking women and children. Yongshan police in Tunnan province, southern China, reported on their WeChat account that they received a tip-off about Yang's location earlier in September. That led police officers to search the mountains behind his hometown. Due to the terrain's steep slopes, the police deployed their drones. The drones spotted blue steel on a cliff, along with household rubbish. The search took around 5 hours and involved a number of drones and operators. He reportedly used plastic bottles to get drinking water from a river and tree branches to make fire. Up next, and regular viewers will remember the plight of Jason Harrison, a Part 107 qualified pilot from Michigan who was arrested and detained whilst making what he asserts was a perfectly legal flight. To watch our original video on this, which includes audio of the actual arrest and video of the officers discussing it, click on the link in the description. Jason and the Michigan Coalition of Drone Operators are taking the local county to court to prove their rights to fly in the local parks under state law. The original hearing was postponed at the last minute. Jason has updated everyone that the new hearing on October the 7th at 10 AM is still due to go ahead in downtown Flint, Michigan. This case remains an important one for drone flyers in several states. We wish Jason luck, and we will of course keep you up to date on any outcome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Please remember to like and subscribe.